and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Haley, and on my channel I love to share tons of cleaning motivation, mom motivation, decorating and cleaning motivational videos. And today we are doing my winter clean and decorate. I always love to just add a few little flocked things, snowflakes, into my decorating for the winter time, and then sometimes I will use the flocked decor still leading into Valentine's Day because it is still winter time, and I think it's just fun to add a little bit more winter decorations into my decor, even though Christmas is over, because it is winter time still. Especially here in Idaho, we get snow clear up until April, usually, depending on how much snow we get. So it definitely is winter here for quite a while. But I'm just going ahead and taking my Mrs. Meyer cleaner, and I'm going to wipe down the mantle, and then I put this home sign from, I believe, Michael's, and this garland. I'm going to be using a mix of just like regular, just everyday decor and some winter decor, mainly everyday decor. I didn't really have anything for this mantle. If you're new here, we also did move in July, and so we lived here for a couple of months before fall, and then we've had Christmas, so I haven't really been able to fully decorate my house just normal. So I'm looking forward to being able to do that here in the new year. So for now, this is what the mantle is going to be. I thought I might add a few things to the ends, but I didn't really love the way that it looked, so I just went ahead and left it like this just to keep things simple. And I thought it worked good. I will definitely, I think, be changing it up though. Now we're going to move on into this hutch area, and it's definitely an adjustment decorating this hutch here. I had it at the old house, but it was more in like the kitchen, and so I could decorate it with more kitchen things, but I feel like I can't really do that in the living room, and so I kind of just have to rearrange how I'm decorating. But I definitely am liking the way that it looks. I think I could definitely do some rearranging and maybe get a few new pieces for this space as well. I also just need to figure out decorating the walls, maybe getting a few more furniture things. We're definitely just playing around with our decor, figuring out what we like still, and then as time goes on, we will definitely add things and rearrange and all that kind of stuff, but just doing it slowly here and there. But I had these lanterns that I'm going to put down here that I got from Amazon, just a little pine cone pick, a snowflake, and then our little I don't even know what you call it, chest thing. And then I have this little lantern, an M, and then we're just gonna, I thought about using this floral arrangement in this pink, but by the time I got done, it was like the only thing that was like different and colorful, and I was like, this does not go. So when I'm actually decorating for Valentine's Day, I'll probably end up using that because I really like the way that it looks, but it just was not going with the rest of the decor. So then I have these like fake books, and then these little trees, and then I'm going to use these snowflakes, and this one didn't fit, but it said Merry Christmas, but I can just turn it around and it works perfect. I ended up using a smaller snowflake and putting the two together. We're just doing it pretty minimal, especially after the holiday. I really like to keep things pretty just minimal and not crazy, because I feel like we've had a lot going on between fall and Christmas that it's nice to just kind of have things simple for a little bit. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do, is finish up decorating this hutch, and then once we get done with this bottom section, we will move on into the top.
It's an early December morning, no one but we are. We look out the window as it's starting to snow, and I realize as you hand me the coffee cup, I'm falling just like these snowflakes, tumbling down, round and around. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you, falling for you.
I'm keeping the top of the hutch pretty simple. I have this Happy to Be Home sign from Hobby Lobby, the crates from Hobby Lobby, the little vase thing is from Hobby Lobby, and then the little like wintry picks are from, I believe, Hobby Lobby, maybe Dollar Tree though. And then I just added that little hand towel for a little bit more dimension there. And then this is the way the Hutch looks. I really like how it looks. It's pretty simple. And then I'm just adding this little wreath. I should have added it like more into the middle, but it's fine. I didn't really want to move the command hook. So this is how the living room is looking. We're going to come back in later and vacuum and get everything cleaned up. Definitely want to fix the wall with the window and change it up and add something else. I don't know if I'm going to do family pictures on that wall or if I'll do it on the other side of the couch, but I definitely want to get something for that wall. I'm not really loving the window, but I feel like I can put the window somewhere else and the shutters somewhere else as well, and maybe paint the shutters like brown or something like that. I'm not really liking the gray, but we're going to move on into the kitchen. We're first just going to get things picked up, wipe off the counters, and unload the dishwasher, load up the dishwasher, and just get this place to be a nice clean slate so that way we can actually get to decorating.
Hadn't counted on love for Christmas. This caught me right off guard, but I ain't complaining. It's a wonderful present, a gift that comes in the shape of a heart. And now I'm falling just like these snowflakes, tumbling down, round and around. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you, falling for you. And if I were to make a wish upon a star, would it be too much to ask? A place forever in your arms, and for this moment to last. Because I'm falling just like the snowflakes, tumbling down, round and round. And I'm falling just like the snowflakes, falling for you. I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you. Just like the snowflakes, tumbling down, round and round. I'm falling for you. Just like the snowflakes, falling for you. Yes, it's true. I'm falling for you.
I am just going to quickly finish loading up the few dishes that we had in the dishwasher. We're going to clean the sink really quick, and then we're going to move on into decorating. And I'm keeping it pretty simple in here as well. I just didn't want to do anything too crazy overwhelming, just to kind of ease back into decor and then figure out exactly how I actually want to decorate for regular decor, because like I said, I haven't really been able to see how I really want to decorate it just everyday decor wise. So this is kind of giving me the blank slate. But to get started, I am putting this candle on the stovetop. I don't even know where I got it from. I know where I got it from. I got it from my mom for Christmas, but I don't know where she bought it from. But it smells really good and I like it. And then I got this little tray from Hobby Lobby and this candle from Hobby Lobby, and it smells so yummy. And then I got the little picture from Hobby Lobby a couple years ago on clearance, and then I'm just putting my Mrs. Meyer's cleaner on there as well as my Dawn dish soap. I need to get just a regular everyday hand soap for in the kitchen, but for now we just use our Dawn Power Wash or the soap that's in the dispenser on the sink. So that's kind of what we use for right now here in the kitchen until I find a different soap, just like a smell good kind of soap for washing hands. on this little corner of the kitchen, I'm going ahead and decorating with this lamp, the ladder, a hand towel, and then I just ended up using a bowl and like a little cutting board. Everything is from Hobby Lobby except for the little cutting board that is from Target. I definitely want to get a different tray. For now, I just have this little, are they called little chargers for like a place setting? That's what I have for it now. And it works. It's not my favorite. I definitely want to find a tray, so maybe I'll find one soon that I like that will fit the area. I just don't want it to be too big and overtake our counter space because we don't have a lot of it. But now we're going to move on into the shelving, into this dining room. I needed to wipe it off and then go ahead and get it decorated. I'm just using decor that I already had in here, adding a few little winter touches here and there, snowflakes. I thought about using reindeer, but I decided not to. That reminded me too much of Christmas. But I really dislike the flocked trees that are just pretty simple. Those are like really the trees that I like to use. I did add in a few other little trees, like the little green ones. Those are kind of wintry, but like some of the others just do remind me of more Christmas trees, but the flocked ones remind me of more winter. But I just really like to use a lot of snowflakes, and I definitely need to pick up more snowflakes for my winter decor because that's what I really like to decorate, is with a lot of snowflakes. So I definitely use all the snowflakes that I have and then just a little flocked things. I don't like to go overboard with the flocking, but a little bit. I kept these shelves pretty simple and just added a few little winter touches. I decided to keep our little hot cocoa bar, just took out like the signs and stuff like that, but kept the candy canes because we still had some of those. But I figured if we still have the hot chocolate, it's wintertime, we love to have hot chocolate still, so I kept that out, and we'll probably just keep it out until we run out of it because we do have lots of snow here, so we love some hot cocoa. And I'm going ahead and putting these flocked trees on the end tables, just keeping it really simple here. I definitely want to get these decorated differently, but that's for a future time. Now I'm going ahead and loading up all the decor that I wasn't using, and then we are going to use our little bowl that I got from Hobby Lobby recently, and then some beads. I want to get some chunkier beads for it, but for this will work for now. And then I just added a candle that I've just been wanting to use up because I've had it for a while, so I just put it in the middle so that way I can burn that, and then I can get rid of it just because it's nearing the end, so I went ahead and did that. now I'm going to go through every space and give it a quick vacuum, and then I'm going to give you an overview of how it turned out. And I really love the way that all of my winter decor turned out. It's just really simple and easy, and it just looks nice in my space. And then as I figure out how I actually want to decorate, I can rearrange and change things up. But thank you guys all so much for being here and watching today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it and it gave you some inspiration for decorating or cleaning or whatever it is. My next video is going to be my dining room floor makeover. I'm going to get the trim painted so that way that video can go up, and I'm so excited for you to see the process of how that came. And then hopefully soon we will be doing our kitchen table makeover as well. But here are the after shots. Thank you guys all so much for being here, and I will see you guys in my very next one. Bye.